Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Fires on the high seas are becoming increasingly common, and this latest incident involving a Chinese car carrier has left many questions unanswered. What exactly was on board that caught fire, and how could it have happened? We're diving into the story of the Midas, a 46,800-ton car carrier carrying thousands of vehicles from various Chinese brands, including Chery and Great Wall Motor. According to sources close to the matter, the cargo ship was transporting around 3,000 vehicles, with a significant portion being electric vehicles. While we don't know which brand's EV caught fire, it's worth noting that both Great Wall Motor and Chery have been expanding their EV offerings in recent years. What's interesting here is that Great Wall Motor had about 140 vehicles on board, but none of them were battery EVs. These vehicles were actually not even loaded on the deck where the fire occurred. Meanwhile, a representative from Chery declined to comment, leaving many wondering if they might be hiding something. The Midas departed from Yantai, Shandong Province in eastern China, an area with another SAIC factory producing the Buick Envision model, according to Bloomberg. This adds another layer of complexity to the story. Was there a connection between the vehicles on board and this particular factory? And what about the charterer of the cargo ship, Angie Logistics, which is also a subsidiary of SAIC Motor? This recent incident serves as a reminder that while EVs are becoming increasingly popular, there's still much to be learned about their safety and performance. At ElectroDrive News, we're committed to providing you with in-depth coverage on all things electric vehicles, from cutting-edge tech to real-world concerns like this one. The vessel caught fire off the coast of Alaska on Tuesday while carrying around 3,000 vehicles, including 800 EVs, according to Zodiac Maritime, the ship's management company. Thankfully, all 22 crew members were able to safely evacuate after failing to extinguish the fire, but the question remains, what exactly caused this blaze? And as we continue to explore this story further, one thing is clear: safety has to be our top priority when it comes to electric vehicles.